Mhm. Hey, good evening, guys. Good evening. Please tap the screen for me. Help me tap the screen. Please tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. I see. Good evening. It was Sakusire rero. Sakusire. Katebora. Wishipura katebora. Wishipura katebora. Wishipura. Maybe how are you? Let's get 2K, guys. We get started. You are ready? Maggie, hi. Okay. Na starter pack pafupi. One starter pack. Maggie, how are you? I need energy. Tap the screen, please. Tap the screen. Chongo. All these organs. Hello, Prof. Hey, Josh. How are you? Good to see you, man. Let's tap the screen. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. I'm also good, boss. Tap the screen, guys. Get to work. We are doing vectors. We are doing vectors there. And please, let me have those who I can solve with. Hey. Let me have those who are solving with me. Solve with me. I pray for a very awesome life. I pray whatever we're going to discuss shall be of great use, great remembrance. Okay. I pray that we're going to enjoy this live session. May every discussion that we're going to have be profitable in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay. Yes. In Christ Jesus, we commit. This live is sponsored by Jesus Christ. Rose, hi. So I will do both paper 1 and paper 2. I'll do both paper 1 and paper 2. So I know in the group I sent several questions, but then I'll see if we attended those questions or not. Yeah. Okay, where is it? I think after this one. Come on. All right. No, that's called geometry. This question never had oh, it's here. Okay. The lighting is very good. Have you seen it? It could be network. So sometimes network change shaitan. Network is a shaitan. Amamane. Hold on. I want to put my... Yeah, today network. Have you seen? So shaitan wa network. So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a nice discussion. So the first question I'm going to look at is saying the components of the vectors OA and OB are these, respectively. Write down BA as a column vector. Write down BA as a column what? Vector. So, vana va Mungu. I'll be stretching my neck up. We have been given OA. OA is 2, 3. Then OB is 4, 2. Okay? So now, what they're asking us to find is for us to write BA as a column vector. How? How we are going to do that? We are starting with B, going to A. All right? So these arrows are not for decoration. They are showing the direction where it's moving. Where is my kanyura? Okay? So we are finding BA. So we are moving from B going to A. So this arrow shows the direction of movement. From B going to A. So, ladies and gentlemen, please understand that all positional vectors starts from the origin. All position vectors starts from where? The origin. The origin is 0 in this. Again, from 0 to where B is. That's another 2 directions. So these arrows shows the direction. So for us to find the BA, come on. Don't do this, network. Don't do this, network. Don't do this. Guys, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? I know I can see your comments, but can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Oh, do you know that TikTok is saying that you can now get points from tapping? I didn't know that. I wish I screenshot that one. They are saying that you can get points from just tapping the screen. And what? I was busy fighting for network. I didn't even read Jones. But yeah, you can get points. I don't know how. Seems like those points, they are awarded into coins. Kapena Kaya, I don't know. But I've just seen the chabwera up a screen to say, encourage the viewers for tapping the screen and chan. But Marama got in for maybe that my likes to, and so those who believe it, try to tap and see if you earn points or whatever. I don't know which points and what are they do. Aha. So I was explaining that we are finding B to A. So now, but all position vectors, they start from O going to A and O going to B. All right. So we are going to move from B going to A. Our movement from B going to A will move from B to O, which is the opposite direction of the normal move. Our normal is OB. So if we move B to O, it's against. That's why now, oh, we are going to get negative OB. Mayona, kansi. 9 entapengeko. Negative OB plus OA. Why am I saying plus to this one? Because OA is the right direction, not BO. All right? Do you understand how the negative came about? If you understand how the negative came about, give me that like quickly. Oh. Kuzankala nchito kutapinga. Kansi kuti kuwina ma awards, ma points. Kuzankala bana tapping chisawawa. Okay. So now, we are going to say BA is equal to. Now, understand that with vectors or even any mathematics, unless it's in its standard form. Okay, unless it is in its standard form, always start with a positive. So I'm just rearranging that. I'm starting with OA minus OB. Nambira chabe positive, followed by that. You are right, Christine. So now BA is equal to, what is OA? It is 3, 2. Oh, 2, 3, sorry. 2, 3. Minus OB, it is 4, 2. So BA is equal to, we go via pamuru, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2, right? Or should I go direct? 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Then 3 minus 2. So BA is equal to 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. That's our answer. Chabo Kalero, I want at least, like last year, I need at least, by God's grace, 400 people under GCE. I need 400 people under GCE. I really need 400 people under GCE. So if you're interested in joining us, if you're interested, just for today alone, I'm allowing unavala shawa ukumveshi. I'm allowing this amount. Okay. I want at least to bring as many people on board so that ngakupasa tipase pamoja. So if you're interested, I'm allowing that one. So if you wish to join our online classes, that come we help you. Come we help you. Let me go to internal 2022 internal. Looking for paper 1 question. Let's go. Good evening, Basa. Hey, so that one you can pay for any of these, mathematics, all right, or biology, or science, or civic education, any of these. Okay, you can, hey, Wanaifen Laka, you can pay for any of those. 2022 paper 1 question number 8, that's where we are. Kanya samalumbo meva sangwa ponse ponse mavukide kuwafu mayendere kali bemba mutalali kama bimbi. So if you're interested, the offers come to you. Let's go to the next question, guys. Are you ready? Those who are solving with me, let's get to work. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's for anyone who wish to join. You see tomorrow anyone you. Can I pay to Nazia? Pona po chibuibui chapa typing chibuibui. Okay, let's go. My network is not stable. Let's go. Let's go. This one first. Let's get to work. Ioneka question, eh? See. Right here too, Bataraziza. Hold on, guys. Let me improvise here. Our lighting is draining. It's draining. We need enough lighting. Guys, are we able to see the question? Now, Freezer, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Dude, how are you saying no if you can hear me? Get the ring light to come back. Get the ring light. Why should I get a ring light when this light is doing the job that a ring light can do? Come back. So the vector RS is that. Okay? Vector RS is that. Saying given that the coordinates of the point S are 1 to 2. Guys, please tell me if my network is good. Hey, baine zamteo nagula zamteo si hapa. Yambo skipa. Mbani kwanishe ne kuti pangono inatempa zamteo. So what time are the lessons? Where? On TikTok or on the WhatsApp group? The vector RS, guys, can you hear me? Thank you, Lisa. At least somebody who is communicating. Ungapeni. Thank you, Rosie. V, it's between 17 and 22 hours. In fact, it's any time at your own free time. Can see phone clearly. The vector RS is that. So we have been given vector RS, which is -4 and 5. Then S is the coordinate. Please pay attention. S is a coordinate. Given that the coordinates of the point S are that, so we can change this coordinate, all right, to a position vector OS by just simply doing this. We have 1 and 2, just like that. So this is a coordinate that is a column vector. Mumveraka, a coordinate and a column vector. So Bakamba could define the coordinates of the point R. So we want to find the coordinates of the point R. So what is going to happen? Please pay attention wana mulungu. Petiendera panipama danger zone. Ni waumfu auta umfuire. Okay? We might not go through this. Okay? So please na papa tamveran. Listen. So this will guide us. All right? So I have R there and I have S here. So R, we don't know it. It's the one that we need to find, then express it in coordinate. S, we know it's 1, 2. Okay? Please. I wish nilikuwa chena selected individuals wamene vanitaka confirm kakamba okay vatako feedback. I know that I'm communicating, somebody is listening. It will really help me, it will do me good. So we are moving from R going to S. So from R going to O. So now I'm rewriting this so to be, or let me write it, yeah, even there it's okay. RS is equal to, from R going to S, that's what it means, RS. Arrow is showing from R going to S. So we'll say RO or S. Okay? So what is our RO? We are going against the direction. Onan, Papa Memo Africa man understand to say if it's not starting from O, it should carry a negative. So since it's starting from R, so RO is something as negative OR. Why negative? Because you are moving opposite direction. RO is going against the direction. OR is true direction. So Mungai OS is in the true direction. Onda to come plus OS. Are we clear before I clear the chi? Are we clear before I clear the chi stango? Diagram. Mazu hawezi Tomaida. Not clear. Okay, that's good. That's good. So the reason why we have this one is calling a negative, because we are moving from R going to S based on that arrow. From R going to S. So from R going to S, we move RO. As moving from R going to O, we are going against direction. It's like vakuuza kuti yonse njira ichoka ku zero kwenda ku uku, but ichoka kubwera uku. Okay, guys, is it my network? Mwambera ka? So ichoka uku kubwera. No wonder this one is carrying a negative because it's coming from opposite direction. It's coming from opposite direction. Then from uku to that, no wonder this one carrying a positive. Okay? Then after we have come up with that understanding, we can clear this off and say, since we know what RS is, RS has been given to be that. -4, 5. Minus, what is OR? OR eoturefokusanga. Plus OS is that one. Then tingatenge E. Mayona tipeleka ku left side. Just like the way we group the light terms. Izanga positive X, Y. E ikabwera ku inali positive, inga negative. So we'll say 1 2 minus -4, 5. Then these on top are corresponding for X and the one at the bottom for Y. So design that X equal to, all right, 1 minus -4. So negative times -4 is +4. So it will be 1 plus 4. Then 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5, it's -3. Okay, so our final answer, our answer will be 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 minus 3 is -3. But then they said we should find, sorry, I need to have like this again for easy understanding, because this on top and that, yeah, I think it will make more sense like this. But then watuza kutisiye answer yatu as a coordinate. Find the coordinates of R. Let me just take, I know, hold on. Let me just, chimfine nacho. All right, let me take up from this point, because the question is saying we should find the coordinates of R. Find the coordinates of the point R. So nakamba kuti e negative x and y, this coordinate will come to the left side, will be positive, nishi negative yaenda. Then e bwera uku zankala, we start with that one, 1 2, then minus e bwera 9. Okay, so vapa mwamba, okay, it's representing x. So x is equal to 1 minus negative 4. So x is equal to 1 plus 4. X is equal to 5. Then we do the same for y. Zoom out a bit. Will be y equal to 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Y is equal to negative 3. So since the question says we should find the coordinates of r, we'll simply say for x is 5. For y is negative 3. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nachalwe, how are you? Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job. TikTok, I know you have said that people are gaining points, but wala soften my points abana. Soften my points abaikuta. Pasanine mwino waka live. Pereren mo in my point. You know what I'll be doing? I'll be going to my people's lives. I tap naenda to on my points via pere kangagureka vitsika. Okay, let's go. Those who wish to join our online classes, as I'm looking for another question, let's do a paper 2 now to one. In case you wish to join us, in case you wish to join our online classes, you're more than welcome. I've dropped to 75 coach till July. If you wish to join our online classes, at least 400 students. We are almost getting there. Look at that. We are almost getting there. We have 241. We are almost getting there. We are almost getting there. If I can also have 400 even this year, will be awesome. Guys, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Network is very unstable. Yeah, I've just shown you, boss. Boss Warulu, I'm just showing you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, recover. Yeah, no network. Yeah, Ripinda za wachipondo. Kutuwa mwaka tulera ndakacho uliweka mu WhatsApp group ya pa TikTok. Yeah, Ripinda wakamba fya Ripinda. Let's go. I'm now in paper 2. I'm now in paper 2. Let's do it. Let's do this. 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 I can't lie to you. It's not time to play around. Exam. Yayandikira. No, I only teach. These are the available subjects. These are the available subjects. This question had no vectors. How? It had, but then 5 marks at Kachai. Guys, it had, but then it's 5 marks. Let's do this one. Look at this. They can't go naked. Sleep. You choke up. Let me teach my students. Guys, are you able to see this? Are you able to see that? Guys, are you able to see the question? Okay, good. It's saying that the position vector of the points A, B, C are ija, ija, na ija, respectively. Show that the points A, B, and C are collinear. But then, when you're talking about collinear, I'm writing everything and I only have a month to cover. Please help me. Lepira mami mtiju, come. Lepira mami ujoine. You're writing everything which is here. Which one is everything? So what about us who want to become? So what about us who wants to? But we came across you. My good. I don't know what I can say. Banza last year was join na 1 week. When I was join honestly, I don't know how I can put it. You testify on your own. Weka uzazimvira ngawachedwa olubwanji. Kulima testimony. I wish there's somebody who can just say this. Amenana kulima testimony yakuti, if only I join your area, I think I would have gotten better grades than this. Me, I joined you a week after, or Chan manje you in a month. Let's solve, guys. So please, it's never too late until you're in the exam room. So as far as you are still outside, it's better you learn. Let me help you the best I know I can. Your friend Margaret, right? Yeah. So let me help you the best I can. This is why I've even reduced the pricing, because I want to bring as many people. I know there's no one who can offer this. It's just way to that. She got a merit. Yeah. Let's see. Your commitment and my services, they meet. Tingapange chokosa ona mulungu. It's not time to procrastinate or kuambuka mkuta we na chedwa. Tamanga. Now let's go. So it's saying show the points A, B, C are collinear. So every time you hear the word collinear, all right, it's actually telling us to say there is something common. There must be something common between these points. Okay? There must be something common between these 2 points, 3 points. All right, so now what we are going to do is to prove or show that indeed there is something common. Something common means kapezeka. That's what it means by being common. You have found the Monse. Okay, hold on. Let me just explain this one. Kapezeka Monse. So those who are going to join today, I'm also going to add you in another group. There are 2 groups. The other one is called Catch Up, where we are sending topical questions, because the main group, we are not doing that. We are strictly doing double tovera. So in the main group, this week we are doing paper 2. In the other one, we're doing paper 1. You understand? So we are taking consequence, especially those so those guys, you don't need to pay to join on the other one. Provided you pay while I'm on this live, you go direct. Yes, polite. So I was explaining to say there's a commonness. So how do I show a commonness? So what is common in this point? What is common in this point? There's something common which we're able to see. What is common there? Thank you, Gloria. A negative. So if I take out negative, I'll remain with 1, 2. Okay? Then here, there's something common. There's something common here. There's something common here. For B, there's something common. What is common? 3. Thank you. I can take out 3. I'll remain with 1, 2. Okay? Again, here, there's something common. There's something common there. 9. I'll take out 9. 1, 2. Now, after nachita so, have you seen that we have a common point? Have you seen that we have a common point? 1/2. So I can simply say A, B, and C are collinear, all right, are collinear with a common point of 1, 2. Just here or no here. I can answer it like that. Or I can answer it like this is done. All right, this is done. It's just easy. Then if I want, I can do this. I can just do this. I change these are position vectors moyariria. Ini chinjankara coordinate. Is ankara -1, -2. All right, and that one is ankara 3,6. That one will be 9,18. So what is going to happen? I can find their gradient. If I'm going to get the same gradient, that means they are collinear as well. So let's get these 2 points. All right. So I'm going to say gradient is equal to y2 minus y1. You are very quick to say, look at this one. She's saying unlike for gradient. You just have to be smart about it. You have to be smart about it. Let me show you. Okay. Then x2 minus x1. So gradient is equal to, this will be my y2, 6. y1, -2. x2, 3. x1, -1. So m is equal to negative times -2 is positive. So I have 6 plus 2 over negative times -1, it is +1. So I'm going to have 6 plus 2 is 8 over 4. My formula 8 and more aviri. Okay. Then let me get this point. Have you seen this gradient has given me 2? I'm hoping even this one should give me 2. That means that will show they are collinear. That will show that they are collinear. So this will be my my y2, y1, x2, x1. So 18 minus 6, I believe, is 12. 9 minus 3 is 6. How many 6 are in 12? How many 6 are in 12? 2. So because they are giving us the same gradient, they are collinear. So you can even improve by that. You guys, there are just certain days yakutoro teaching, even the energy of your student, they are good. Then there are certain days, please, I miss such, whereby I'm explaining positive energy, nice mood, everyone in high spirit. We need that. I need that more often. Okay, that's about that. So those who wish to join, like the lady who said the number, I've put it back. Fungai construction, I haven't forgotten. Boy. So how much for the other group? Are you in the other? Yeah, I mean E. I'm offering the same. The first sir is easy. Kaidika time. Yeah, you're right. But then understand the solution. Just didn't see the question. Okay. The question is here. No, if you're in the other, just send a 35, mommy. How do you pay? Is it per subject? Yes, per subject, Abigail. So you said you need all 4. Okay, if you need all 4, I'll put it at 50-50. Abigail. If you really need help, instead of 75, I'll allow you to pay at 50 kwacha, 50 kwacha. Meaning 4 times 50. You save more. So how is the answer supposed to be presented? Sinalangize. So again, you're going to write a statement to say, yes, ABC are collinear because they have the same gradient, which is 2. Nishiasira. Hoping they can just bring kakolinya. Kariko kenangu. Kariko kenangu. Kariko kenanga kolinya. Sir, can I kindly pay alone, please? Okay, for the first 5 people, first 5 people. The first 5 people, I'm allowing 50. The first 5 people, I'm allowing 50. The first 5 people, I'm allowing 50. Let me look for another question. Hello, math teach. Friday, we are doing mensuration. So Abigail, I've said I've allowed you to pay 50 per subject instead of 75. Then I've also said those who wish to join, the first 5 people, I'm allowing 50. 50 nishi kucha group kwina ngosumza join. Hey, to be fair, guy. That means the other one, because like I've said, I've just bought bundles I could have paid for. Oh, Manji cupcake. Manji, send the one that you have, then you finish up tomorrow. Manji. I'll take math and science. Okay. Yeah. Akamba tuwali ubunga ba atushan. Amen shukupima no ubunga. All right, V, I've seen. But you finish up, Manji. You should finish up. Let me look for another question. Shirandet not excuse me. Shirandet not donate. My English is bad. I don't think I can teach English. So I've paid for both. Okay. We have sent to which number? Because okay, maybe I'll confirm because I'll also take. All right, go ahead, guys. I'll take math. Go ahead. Go ahead. Piran. I'm looking for another question. Icho Titanic. Rose, how much? Guys, imondo manda kufunza kuma Shoprite oro aja online. How much? Evi. Tafira Monica. If feel clear up. We want to meet that Tefio. Don't do that to your friend. Banamlungu, vectors should lighten up your mood in an exam. Okay, it's something that should light up your mood in an exam. So please, let's learn this one and understand them na papat. Let's learn to understand. We need to learn them and understand. Are we able to see the question? I don't know why this is becoming dark and dark. My lighting is keep on going dark. Anyway, that's all. Friday and Saturday. I don't know, never on a timetable. Is it Thursday and Friday or Friday and Saturday? I'll be doing mensuration. So I'm trying to send, but the network is failing. Okay, you can send after. Even Margaret is saying you can send after if the network is stable. But when this and Saturday, yeah. Then we normally meet on Saturdays for our Saturday meetings. It's free of charge. We normally meet on Saturdays for our Saturday interactions. Oh yeah, I've seen it, Manji. You should. We normally meet on Saturdays. Balusaka. So I've texted on WhatsApp with proof of good. Have you been on my live before? B, go ahead, but you are not going to be added on the other. You only be added in one group. 70, it awards you with another group. Guys, let me just copy this. No longer actually clear. Yes, I'm gonna clear. When we started the live, it was super clear. I need an extra writing layer. So 75 is coming with an extra group. And son, Ikaribo Zula study, your friends created even the study group. Vauka 002 Vanzan Kustad. They have come up with a very good timetable. Very good timetable. Your friends are really doing good. So if there's a better time to join, it's now. We have families that are willing to help each other. Students who are willing to just help each other. That's another group. It's just a study group. So you can also join them. Although they have a limited number. So washara. Ukasarira mvako. Kuzika hivi mkapaka mzapanga chaos. The people are running it very good. Na family visunga vija. Makada vija. Very good children. I'm so proud of them. So proud of them that, oh wait, this Saturday, this Friday there's no test, eh? Mwapusuka, but then that other Saturday there must be a test. There must be a test. There must be a test. Under trig, yes. I've never been testing about trig. I need to test my students. I want to discuss. I'm just joking. Don't take unless I inform the group. Yen kambania mova. I was like, serious. But mzarimba test after next week. My sister is busy asking about the results. You never sent mine in the. My sister is busy asking about the results. You never sent mine in the group. My sister wakondani. Sister wako ni ndani wapamulo akangu wakusha kunchita text because I did. I finished marking. Akamba fchan. All right, Margaret. So how can I join the WhatsApp? Dizo, you will find out in the WhatsApp group. Let's take a bed. I don't know your sister that you stay with now. No, zekaniza wabwanji kuti no sister kwa yonkala naye. So that nikambe kuti nganiva na mwansa kavinga na wachonga ngasiwa mene nikuza kuta pepani. Nembekeza kuli sister nchitaki uzuku. Kuli mundu alira child support kumfanika ni sorting ni ndani wesi napase my results. Okay, guys, are you able to see? But the lighting when I started was good. What happened, eh? Are we able to see this? Maybe I drop a bit. Oh, you can see. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, my good. Oh, good. Very good. So we are finding OB. Okay? We are finding what? OB. We are finding OB. So, OB, it's actually all about the movement. Akaka aro kakulangiza mwamemfani kakuyenda. Uchoka pa O uyenda pa B. Mumberaka, you are coming from O going to B. But then you don't know it yet. You don't know this yet. So you need to move OA, then AB. Nishwafika pa uyenda. Wenda ku bank, wachuka pa office. So wenda first pa kaya. Pa A kaya, pa maapos, then wenda ku bank. So your movement will be OA plus AB. So what is your OB? Your OA ni 2A. Plus AB is just B. Kwa maana. My students, I know I sent other questions, then I'm yachinja. Those I set them before this, so they will act as exercise later. Yachinja. Let's learn first. Mambera na mulungu. This is how we move it. That's how we move. Yo, guys, can you hear me? Mama. Come on. Just like that. Yes, just like that. Just like that. Just tenje tende pamozi mzakatikana. Uzadapat if naretina. Kanshi firi simple. Narefi mone na patari narefitina. Kansi tefia kuyofia no kuyopa. Kutina finokola meno. Yeah. We have found OB, right? Please remember, those who are writing should remind me because we might need this. Hi. 2A plus B. Then we are going to find CB. Vector CB. Sa number. Because abana advertisement bagamba. Abana advertisement. Ilete zina yo, usa donate. Don't donate. We donate mkwai. Okay, let's find CB. Boss, let us know if you have gotten the number so that it is. The tuma dash necessary under the letter. They are very necessary. Imagine vene wanakufakira hapo uchosepo. Uto. Dasho. Uto. Ako. Very necessary. Very necessary. Guys, I don't have a cannula, so ni kumachi drip direct. Utupereka kuti ukatuchosapo. Let's go. 10. CB. Okay, apeza kudara nkanzero akaka Margaret. Upitilize Margaret uzagula phone. CB, we are moving from C going to BI. Mumvera. We are here. Now listen the fun thing. We can move from C going to B by simply saying CO or AB. But then it is a talimpai. If we move from C, we are going to B. We can move CO. Okay, Vachenda. Okay. CO, OA, AB. But then we can just say COB. And we can still go COB because that will be very easy for us. But then CO plus OB. Mabona. So CB is equal to what is CO? CO is going against, these arrows are not for direction, please napapat. These arrows are not for direction. So if we are going like opposite here, whatever it's there, it should be negative. Okay, Chrissy. All right, Christine. All right. So it will be negative 3b plus OB tapeza chani. Tapeza 2a plus b. You remember? You remember? Huh? So now we say CB. It was just for fun. Don't get offended. Nifcha nabwera. Mwayamba. I can't leave you guys alone, eh? So positive 2a minus 3b plus b. All right, I've just regrouped. Okay, so CB is equal to 2a minus 2b, because negative 3b plus b is negative 2b. Mwayamba, ndana yamba mzake. Na muzansoresani wonse. Pabina voyamba napa. If you're on this live, don't take anything offensive. Tima ponya poeri onse. We learn like that. We are brothers and sisters. So mwira shokwa. Kani chekinyevezo yamba na chane bana. Na imwe ndimwe basa. Oh, Gloria Funsa Kunda. Oh, andimwe tiriri. Yalikaba. Nivimasa vonse. Utupereka kuti. Oh, ano. Mwisaka mana. Ndimwe tiriri. In fact, your luck it didn't come out from me. That's how we are. If you are newcomers, you understand. This time, now you was a joiner. Uzambo ponyera panzako. Forgive us that we don't play. We don't play my yard. It's a ghetto live. Nyam komboni live. So don't get it too serious. Okay. 10. Now that the family meeting is here. 10 pitirize. AC. Are we ready for AC? Are we ready for AC? Are we ready for AC? No. Okay, very good. What's that aircon, eh? Not really. Nkona chabe kuli swagi wapa yapo kuti you not really zone. Awonika chemushe but Isaac. Awonika chemushe. Nakuza ni atipano. Don't catch feelings. 10. Yeah, the lighting is really affecting me. Hold on, you. Because you know, oh, you guys are no. It's not a boring. Maybe so. Aha, much better. Ma. Sorry guys, battery up. 15%. I hope they charge. We are moving from A to C. Okay, so our movement from A to C, A going to C. We are going to move A, O, C. All right, A, O, C. A, O plus O, C. Then, E, A, O, it's opposite direction. All right, it's going against this arrow. Nakamba ututuma arrows, they're not for decorations. It's going against the arrow. So SC is equal to, this 2A will carry a negative because we are going against it. Yes, Kunda. Plus OC, it is 3B. Then we just rearrange. Starting with positive always. Na papata. Niza mu exam mumaenda futi mwaivala viva kamba teacher. Please always express in a positive. Positive, your answer should, unless once vachusama negative, yes. Why can't we use the AB plus BC? Do we have BC? Nope. That means you'll be forced to change negative, what you find as CB. So no. We can use it, but then we don't have BC, we have CB. The previous one. So why going through the trouble? You get the same answer, but then why going through the trouble when you can just go mpion, mpion, mpion? Fine. You will still deal with a negative yai because you only have CB. So for you to find BC, you will put a negative. So no, I don't want to teach things that will make my students scatter the brain. Eh? Me, I will teach you the simple. Right? You don't dig a pit so that you can fikira it. Right? You don't dig a pit so that you can fikira it. So we don't want to complicate things in order for us to simplify. Tefio. We are not like Elijah in the Bible. Sacrifice that man's but afuna muliro. We are not going to do that. We don't complicate situations. Eva man's pia afuna muliro. That one almost, we really thank God. Our God is almighty, is all powerful. Our God is good. Sembeni muntu imagine uza dadiwa kwa dadiwanga dadiwanga amanyamula so pepa afuna anyamure ufakapo vinsimbi vole mavinango. Because he made the situation even worse, but he needed the muliro. Zana samwa chena kufuna langiza chitu chatu ma prophet utendwa boza. Kuna mumza mulongo yemwe. So we are moving from C to M. We are moving from C to M. So I'll move CO. So it's to use any direction that has numbers. Use direction that has numbers. Have you ever gone to honor these guys? And listen. Listen very careful. Vectors ilimunga mweti maendera kutaone. Eh? Mwambera. Vectors are like the way we move to town. There's no way ungafunopita pachipupa uzwat kulido. That's how vectors are. Why should I go munga hapa palibe vilivonzi hapa? Na hapa palibe vilivonzi nipite huko nzapita bwanji. All right? So these take them as to my doors. Mwambera ka? But futi mwayo nango ndimwa kuchipata, so it's very possible. Aliafya. Pita pachipupa che due. Okay? So C to M. C to M. Okay, it's CO. Then OM. Then understand that the OM is actually half of OB. No wonder wafaka utu. They're not for decoration. 10 nemboish. Wachipata. 10 nemboish. When in dembo. They are OM and MB equal distance. Alright. So OM is half OB. So we're going to say CM is equal to CO. It is opposite direction. So our 3B will carry a negative. Plus half of what we found for OB. OB was the first thing that we looked at, which was 2A plus B, if you remember. Vena bandaka kumana wati ni nembo. Talemba mathematics ya tundembo. So half times if ni chimozimozi arembati 2A plus B ngafuna utufaka imwe bara so na mwena arembera so and the same thing. The way this, the way I've written that is one and the same. Then of you cheap chom. Anyway. People Asu. Hey. Sorry, bakuchipata. Can you hear me? Nezolavila tung'ono nezoseka tiara achipata mawe fya ikata ku network nezoseka tiara mwe amama neo devashukuru banda mama tawishi. I feel like I can record what na iwe. Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. Tatinkapoipa. Hey, achipata tikule mbuzi aya nkuku fyakata ku network tafyangarifai chefe natufana natuasikana yalikava nezoseka kotiara nindembia wanu nomba mkokata ku business ya muyanu so nani ndinakuchipata umvani mono lavira cha kuchipata nani msamatero namwe msamankhala ngati sindise anthu amozi namwe yayi namwe mchuta choyipa so kuliye kuseka romba tipunsana mkati yokata romba kubatiri nezolavira kuti tichoka ku C going to O mukumva tichoka pa C tiruta ku O so kuenda kwasu tizaenda C kuenda ku O lomba kupoenda kula tienda against sitikondwera nazo njira yetitayuzinga because isonta uku so ila inkali na negative ndevi nalavira ne mukumva so lomba nakamba kuti OM ili pakati osati pakati para pamimba pakati pamido. Okay, so tizakamba half of OB. OM is half OB because OB testaipeza kale pa first poyamba pala poyamba. Guys, allow me to teach in Nyanja so that I can please the mipashisha for these chaps. Lomba nalavila kale at half. What is OB? OB testapeza kale ni 2A plus B. Mukumva? Nde palapene nakamba kuti mwepe mwaononga palape mwaononga network para nezo kamba half iyi ni chimozi talemba tere kalemba tere so like that mukumva then we express as a single fraction ndivine nalavira so na consho niza mfunsani ne consho ni yakuti what is a common denominator nyanke ni consho. What is our common denominator? 2. 2 times negative 3b is negative 6b. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times negative 3b is negative 6b. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times the numerator is that numerator. So if we group the like terms, remember we start with the positive, huh? So I'll start with 2a minus 6b plus B over what? 2. So 2A. Negative 6B plus B is negative 5B over what? 2. Okay. I don't know what happened to this because Airtel, my mind network is up in. Kutali okomwamfumya nokomulentwara. I'm a living testimony. We didn't divide furthermore. No, you can't. How? There's nothing common. This is one thing now. Ukulambalala pa kupepa mucheni chava Yesu. I'm a living testimony. See me now. Yes, Annie. Yes, my manje. My manje. Manje. Next month, Chizambati. Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way. What was impossible? We like taking things spiritual. Impossible. Jesus, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Jesus, yeah. You have done it again. Iwe nakuyambapo not iwe niuza uamba amba could have my synthesis of the Chan of the region of the Caribbean Makambaek. Where do we meet on Saturday? We meet in Mrs. Police, near Mrs. Police. Sorry. We meet near Mrs. Police. Chimalira. And this Saturday we are doing paper 1, selected topics. We selected topics in paper 1. That's what we'll be discussing. Makamaka those when the topics in atubana to questions in paper 1 yana tubana. Because by now you should understand that paper 1 from 1 to 7 yama bwana kamos yasalambo bwana 2 or 3 questions in one question. You need to know that. And that's where the time is wasted. Because you guys will move at the same speed. 1 up to 7, you need to learn that. We did statistics last Saturday. Sansi, Atishani, sir. Yes, they are. Nakamba, these are the subjects that we offer. I'm allowing 75. Nafumiako pricing. Let me look for another one. So I'll do 2 more, then I drop. From what time? 09 hours to 16 hours. The time when my endera, so my battery is dying. Mine too. Mine is at 13%, Margaret. In your special way, what was impossible, Papa, you made possible. It's like a question. Okay, found it. Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way. Nefya kusea. I need to drop. Where is that one? Who is that one? Those who are English come back na papa live pano. Bridget and that lady, Fatuma. Bridget and Fatuma, are you here? Bridget and Fatuma. I asked when does the live start so that we may prepare in advance. Oh, you mean, no. Our live at the moment, yes, is unpredictable. Our timing is not yet common. Only my students from the group get to know the time I'll get to live. I notify them. but I think 20 hours is still good. So you check on us every 20 hours. Bridget or Fatuma, you here? Bridget or Fatuma? Where are these guys? Nafia, I mean one-on-one. Those who need one-on-one, kindly reach out because only one slot is available. Is it one? Few limited slots are available. Fatuma, what time are your group studies starting? They have created a very good study, these people, and together with the friend. What time is it 22? No, the first one. You had the first one is biology and chan. The way you chunked the timetable. The first one was it 20? Is it 22:30 or 22 hours sharp? I know 02 is for mathematics. Yeah, I know. Please give me that information because I need to know so that I give you chance, guys, to do your thing. I need to respect your program. This lady doesn't want to comment. Okay, all right. That means I still okay. So I can do the inkasiriza ingacha kuna imozi. DJ. All right. So the first one we're being asked to find AC. Shall we go? Let's go. What about us who want to pay for online classes? Yeah, we are online. Abigail, it's online. Yeah, it's online. What are you saying? It's online. Me too, I want to join the... You can only be, provided you're a member of the WhatsApp group. No, not the 02. No, the timing, if you join the main group, you learn at your pace. Like, you don't have to bother. Namisa, classy, Bwanj. No, not even that. All right? The group where the lessons are sent is always locked up, meaning that you can easily follow up. All right? Look at this. I already sent the question that of discussion. I wrote Friday test on second theorem. Did I? Which Friday didn't I give a test? Was it this Friday? Oh, so these guys are writing. 02. Gone. How do we join the group? You make payment. I'm allowing 75 kwacha till July. Yes. So our goal is to have 400 students. That's my goal. Just like last GCE. We are not forcing anyone. Yeah, right. It doesn't just make sense. Mu June. Ngaufuna ipanga October. No, I think you mean well, but then yeah. Let's make some progress. SC. It's not about the month. It's not about the weather conditions. It's about what they want to achieve. So I wouldn't appreciate that. This offer, Mr. Colette, is it Colette? I don't know if it's Mr. or Miss. It's for all this live. So tomorrow it may not be this. Unless you are telling me to say in the morning before 10 hours, then yeah, I'll allow you. So we're moving from A to C. Yes, pretty girl chocolate. Guys, matinza punzisa. Mkwai. So we're moving from A to C. So we'll move A to O. Okay, A to O, which is going against, plus O to C. Oh, Mrs. Okay, nice meeting you, Mrs. Mrs. Mupila. Nice meeting you. There's no profile, so I couldn't tell if you are Miss or Mrs. So Guys, can you hear me? It seems like my network is pretty down. Negative 2a plus OC, it is 3c. Leave our answer. Mama. Mama, now we can. Mama. I was asking, do we leave our answer like that? Guys, can I pay for? Go ahead. It's all right. Yes, you can. Yes, you may. So we can leave our answer now as SC is equal to 3C minus 2A. Now Shimonaga. Maria Hannah Felix. Now we can hear, but we didn't get anything. Churunga mwecho. Because I paused in Ishtas of Audarai. So we are finding AC. So we are moving from A to O first. Then O to C. And I even explained to say our AO is against the direction, so to carry a negative, then our OC, it is 3. So we can't leave our answer starting with a negative. So we rearrange this, so to be 3C minus 2A. Abana tatumfuire. Tim tatumfuire. Tulie kumfa. OD. Let's move. My phone is dying. I said the charging end of my negative. My phone is dying. My phone is really dying. Okay. Let's move. Why swapping? Because we don't want to leave our answer as a negative cheapo. That's why. We don't want to leave our answer as a negative. Vectors are very positive. They don't like to leave it in negatives. So, OD. O it's there, but D is right here. So we need to find that one. OD. Now, in order for us to find OD, we need to go back to the question for more information. So they're saying that the diagram shows a trapezium or ABC in which AB is 3 times OC, okay? And D is the midpoint of AC. So this is a midpoint of what we just from finding. So we are going to move OA plus AD. How am I? I'm not going to disclose where I teach. No, I don't teach Palette Diana. I know where Palette Diana is, but I don't teach Palette Diana. I don't even remember when last I went to Palette Diana. OA. It is 2A plus AD. It is half AC. AD ni half ya AC. So OD is equal to 2A plus, what is half of AC? Half of AC, which we can write as AC over 2. So we found AC. Okay? So we're going to say OD is equal to, we found this one, which is the one that gave us 3C minus 2A. You remember? Good, Astrida, good job. So we express as a single fraction. So OD is equal to, common denominator is 2. Ma 1 mu 2 ni 2. 2 times 2a, it is 4a. 2 mu 2 ni 1. 1 times the numerator is the numerator. But without wasting your time, the best thing you should do, start with that one. So to be negative 2a plus 3c. Watch I not group the items. That way to save you time. So to be 4a minus 2a, which will give me 2a plus 3c over 2. That's our final answer. 2a plus 3c over 2. Ayo mama, calling green. We'll see. Let's proceed, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make some progress. I'm now finding OB. I'm finding OB. Okay, I'm finding OB. That's the next question. E. OB. We are moving from O going to B. OB. So how I'm going to find OB, I'll take note of what they said here. Up. But AB is 3 times of OC. AB is 3 times OC. So let me write here. AB is 3 times OC. So what is OC? It is 3C. So to carry it up, 3C. Then you say 3 times 3C is 9C. So each AB ikala 9C. Mwamvera hiyo but AB is 3 times OC. But ututuma OC muri AB tulimo tutatu. So tuna 3C, 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 which is making 9C. So if we are moving from O going to B, we'll say OA then E plus AB. So OB is equal to, what is OA? It is 2A, right direction, and AB it's 9C. Consider. Queen D. Hi, my friend. I'll bunch, my friend. My boy. Last one. 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 Hi, Chibesa. Kwa mana. Yes, kwa mana. It's Chibesa. Hello, Chibesa. Lovely. BD. We are moving from B going to D. B to D. BA, which is negative CI. So move BA plus AD. Tomaida, nakuona. Nakuona. Are you the same one or you are a different Tomaida? So BA is negative 9C. Plus AD is half AC. Went through this road before. So BD is equal to negative 9C plus S is what? We found 3C, if you have been remembering. 3C minus 2A over 2. Salim's. You remember? Then we express as a single fraction. Common denominator, 2. Ma 1 mu 2 ni 2. 2 times negative 9c is negative 18c. 2 mu 2 ni 1. 1 times vija ni positive 3c minus 2a. So this is what I was saying, my negative manje. So negative 18c plus 3c is negative 15c minus 2a over 2. Yes, here. Ayo, mama. Okay. Thank you so much for coming. This is where I end the live. I appreciate your coming. I appreciate your time. I'm getting better. This is what we want. Imagine. Imagine. It's not. That's how we sharpen each other. So I'm still accepting my 75. All right. So if there's anybody, I'm about to drop. So if you wish to join our online classes, come and learn with us. I know you have that 75 kwacha. You would have used it for other things, but then think of it. I've really enjoyed today's lesson. Yesterday I slept. So I can't wait for this. Kambawe Kalanji. I think I'll just send them. There's still time. Oh, I'll send them in the morning. What time, pretty girl chocolate? Ouch. What time? Helen Salati. So there's a lady who asked, is it Mariana? Mariana, are you the one who asked for one-on-one? But you know, do one-on-one. Maparo, hi. WhatsApp me using this line. Shalom. Can I go ahead, Maparo. Around 8. All right. Even you miss. Okay. No problem. Just go ahead. Let me help you the best I can. I understand time has already gone. I know I can help you. And if there's a better time to join us, it's now. Hello, Bwacha, if we are... hello, Bwacha, if we are only... Yeah. We can do this. We can do this. So please join us. Join us. Let's do the best we can. It's never too late until you are in an exam. So I know. So the problem is, tomorrow morning, I can only accept before 10 hours. After then you have Nishi. Remember, I am offering up a live. Off the live, they are not the same. So I'm allowing those to pay in the morning before 10 hours. After then is Nishiwalas. You have to pay a normal pricing. You understand? So this is why it will be very easy for me, even on the record, to say this person paid. At the morning is up to... I can't tell you. Good night, guys. Morning is up to... Good night. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Let's do... What are we doing tomorrow? Let me confirm what we'll be discussing tomorrow. Hold on. Let me just quickly give you what we'll be discussing tomorrow so that you may prepare as well as you're coming. Let's see. Check. Where are you? What are we discussing tomorrow? Nope. Up. When is the trig? Wow, tomorrow's Zawama. Do you offer accounts? No, no. My Rosawama. Yeah, Wamona at 12 gram. Yeah, tomorrow we are doing trig. Tomorrow we are doing trig Zawama. Come with your calculators. We do trigonometry tomorrow. Come with your calculators. Good night. Thank you for your time. So those who have paid, kindly WhatsApp me.